Hi everybody. So in this video we will discuss about, or I will explain you about a very latest job opening that is published from Genpact company. We all know Genpact is a very reputed company, again a multinational company. This job opening or job vacancy is listed for Hyderabad location, and the requirement for this job opening is any graduate. If you are a BCom graduate or BSc graduate or a BA graduate, any graduation person who has done their graduation can apply for this job. Now you can also see this job is posted today, that is March 10th of 2021. This is a job vacancy where that the company is looking for level 1 process associate. Level 1 means entry level. So a level 1 process associate into network monitoring. Now please understand, they are looking for fresher candidates. After hiring fresher candidate, Genpact will train them on network monitoring, and then they will place the candidate into the required or the specific processes. So that is one requirement, and as this job is posted today, that is March 10th of 2021, this job vacancy will be open till May 9th. So you have 2 months of time, or till May 9th you have time. Make sure you share this video with your friends and family members also, or people who you know who are desperately looking a job, or who are desperately looking to get into a corporate job. So this video will be useful for them. Watch the video till the end, because I will be showing you how you can apply for this job also. Now the link of this video, the link of this job posting, I have already mentioned in the description of this video. So check the description, click the link, and you will come to this page. Now in this page you can understand what exactly they are looking into. This is definitely a customer centric or customer service kind of process that they are looking for. They will be training the candidate on what are the skills that this job role requires and all those stuff. What is the preferred qualification is they are looking for graduate into any stream, and what are the skill set they are looking in the candidate is definitely the candidate should have some basic knowledge about Windows or how to operate in a laptop. Now laptop, usually most of the laptops in India I would say comes with Windows. Now a basic knowledge on Windows is definitely recommended. If the person also have some basic knowledge on network monitoring, that is a added advantage. Now one thing, if the person does not have these two skills, that is also fine, but the candidate should at least have some good communication skills. The candidate should have, I won't say the candidate should have perfect, very good communication skills. No, like if okay or good, like good communication skills is also fine. Now they are definitely looking for a good communication skills person. If they have good written and presentation skill also preferable, or that will add advantage to the candidate's profile. Now that is about this job opening. Now if you want to apply for this job, you can definitely see a red color button on the right hand side. Just click on this red color button and it will take you to another screen. In this screen you have to enter your details. In this screen you have to enter your details. Like first you have to agree if you approve the terms and or the privacy policy of Genpact website or not, and then you have to enter your username and password. Login with your username and password. Okay, let me register and show you how we can apply for this job. Let me put my name, Sushmita, password, email address, something I will type. Okay, this is just a dummy or demo email ID. I have entered my name, password, again the password I have repeated, and some random email ID, but here you have to enter your actual email ID. Please understand, you have to enter your actual or original email ID here, and then click on this blue color button called register. Now I have to enter all this information that is required or requested in this Genpact portal. Now create your profile. They are asking me to enter my profile. So first you have to enter your, if you have a LinkedIn account, you have to enter your LinkedIn details also. If you have a Indeed account, you can upload, use a Indeed account also, or you can manually upload your resume from your system or from your computer. I have selected the manual upload option using a dummy resume. I click on save and continue. You can see here there are four stages of entering all the details. In the second stage, we have to enter our personal information. So you have to enter your personal information here. You can select the category or the area of interest, like you want to go into business development, you want to look into consulting, or if you want to in data analytics, engineering, or whatever profession or processes you want to join, you can enter from here. You have to enter your skills as well. Skills also we can search from here. I'm just randomly picking any skill set, but when you are entering your details here, make sure you are checking all these options, and only then you are selecting whichever skills you are proficient or you are good at. Select that skill and click the select option. Your skill will be added here. You can see some skill has been added. You can use multiple skills. You can add multiple skills also, and at the bottom you can save and continue. Okay, now you can see here all the 4 stages has been completed, and now I have been shown all the details that I have entered, and I will click on submit. So what will happen? My profile will be submitted in Genpact portal. My profile will be entered or saved in Genpact portal, and the HR team, they will be reviewing my details. If they see that my resume or my details are relevant to what they are looking for, then you may expect a call back from Genpact company. So this is how we have submitted our profile, or you can submit your profile for the job role process associate network monitoring level 1. Level 1 is entry level position. Any graduate with BSc, BA, BCom can definitely apply for this job. This is definitely for freshers or people who doesn't have any vacancy. If you like this video, if you feel that this video has good content, share this video with your friends and family members also. If you're watching this video for the first time, subscribe, click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell icon. My name is Sushmita and you're watching my YouTube channel Career 9 Jobs. Thank you very much, and I will see you in tomorrow's job alert.